Alright, so today we're going to prepare onions with habanero chili peppers. So first what we gotta do is to cut this red onion. I don't know why it's called it red, I clearly see it purple, but we are going to julienne it. Cut it in julienne. This is a big onion, really big. Just remove the outer skin, then start chopping. I'm going to fast forward this just so you can see how good I am. But the cuts have to be really thin. Oh boy, this onion is really strong. And my knife needs a sharpening already. Okay, that was a little bit too thick. Oh boy. Ah! I really need to sharpen my knife. Oh boy, I can no longer see. That's good enough. Yeah, that's good enough. No, this half. The thinner the better, but I just can't with this. I just can't. My knife doesn't have a good edge, and this onion is super strong. Okay, finally. This is torture. Alright, next the habanero peppers. Here I have how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I don't think I'm going to use them all. There are a lot. And these bastards are really spicy. ¿Qué, mija? Estoy ocupado ahorita. We also need to cut these ones in julienne. The thinner the better. When you're cutting peppers, chili peppers, you need to be really careful to not touch your nose, your eyes, your mouth. That could be bad. Four more to go. Yeah, I'm going to use them all 12. What I'm noticing is that my hand is starting to feel numb. It kinda hurts. I think I'm absorbing the spiciness through the skin. Now my fingers burn. And you need to remove the seeds and the internal veins for two reasons. First one, my fingers. First, you don't want that kind of texture. in your salsa. You don't want to feel the seeds. And second, the veins and the seeds are the spiciest part of the chili. And habanero peppers are already quite spicy, so yeah, you don't want this bastard in there. Oh my god, I'm shaking. It hurts so bad. Okay, 2 more. This one, another one. All right. Oh boy, my hand actually hurts a lot. This has been torture. This has been torture. I accidentally grabbed my nose. I know my nose hurts. But after recovering for that, you just need to add salt. I'm going to add coarse salt. About that much for the moment. Maybe a little more. And we're going to correct for salt later. And then we just add lemon. I'm going to add about maybe 4 or 5 lemons. Yeah, 5. Let's try get some close-up scene. Yeah, that looks fine. I can melt the spiciness already. It's gonna be good. It's gonna be good. You know what? I'm going to add all 6 lemons. There you go. And then we are just going to add a little bit of vinegar, just for a little bit more pungent flavor and to increase the acidity a bit. Yeah, about that much, it's okay. And then mix it really well, integrate all the ingredients. Alright, then place the lid and place it in the fridge. So check this out. It's been a couple of hours, like 4 or 6 hours, and this has been releasing a lot of juice. Yeah. And now we're going to cook some cochinita, but don't think I'm going to prepare it from the beginning. I'm actually going to use this package. You know, sometimes I'm lazy, and today is one of those days. I don't want to cook. Besides, my hand still hurts quite a lot. So first, that cochinita is not even enough for all of us. So first I'm going to cook some eggs. Oops, it broke. Who cares? A little bit of salt. Oh man, this egg must have been really old. You know, the older the egg gets, the more it spreads out. So this one spread quite a lot. Then we add a little bit more oil. And let's add our cochinita, packaged cochinita, instant cochinita. And surprisingly, this cochinita is really good, actually. It's really good. Obviously not as good as the homemade one, but it gets pretty close. So just until it gets a little bit warm, and that's it. We're ready. Yeah, look at that. Ay, hija de su pinche madre, está bien pinche picosa. No mames.